Are you all right? Do you need an ambulance or anything?
What?
Do you need an ambulance or anything? Let's walk to your car because I don't want you to get hit by a car, okay?
Well, ambulance.
Yeah, I see that's your car. Here, ma'am, right over here. Right over here. Right over here. Can you start off with your driver's license, please?
Sure.
Why don't you have a seat in your car, man? Why don't you have a seat in your car?
Okay.
Let's start off with your driver's license and your proof of insurance, okay?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, he wants a driver's license and a proof of...
Who's this?
My attorney.
Your who? Your attorney? All right. You can call him in a little bit because right now everything's recording audio and video, okay? But you're involved in a traffic accident. I'd like to see your driver's license and your proof of insurance.
Ask him.
Okay, he's not driving here.
Just hang up, Samantha, and I'll be there. Tell him I'm on my way.
Yes.
He's on his way.
Yes. Let's start off with your driver's license and your
I'll wait for
insurance.
him.
I know, ma'am, but I need to see your driver's license to verify you're okay to be driving. And number two, your insurance. So you can start the paperwork. There's some damage done to your car.
I'll wait for him.
Ma'am, I tell you that everything's being audio and videotaped, okay?
I'm just saying I'll wait for my
I'm
friend.
requesting your driver's license and your proof of insurance. I'm sure you can provide me with those two things while we're waiting for your attorney to show
I'll
up.
wait for him.
Okay, but we don't have to wait for him. I need
I
to see.
need to wait for him.
Hey, ma'am, you don't need to make this any more complicated than it already is. It's just an accident. I just need to see your driver's license.
I'll wait for him.
Okay, ma'am, do you want me to handcuff you and arrest you?
No.
Because right now, at this point, you're refusing to provide me any...
I am.
You are. You realize that, right?
Yes. I'm an elected official.
You what?
I don't want any of this.
Well, ma'am,
I'll
you're
wait
involved
for
in an
him.
accident. You've hit several cars.
Two.
So, yeah, I need to see your driver's
Because
license so I can start the
someone
paperwork.
pulled out in front of me and
So, okay, great. I'll ask you that in a second. But I really need to verify, this is your car?
No, it's my friend's car.
It's your friend's car, okay. Do you have a valid driver's
I
license?
do.
Okay, great.
And I have insurance.
How about an ID?
I do.
Okay, can I see some of those so I can know
I'll
who
wait
you
for
are?
my attorney.
Okay. I'm trying to I'm just trying to work with
I
you
know.
here. But you're not providing me your driver's license and your insurance.
Nope.
And why are we waiting for your attorney for?
This is my friend.
He's your friend. Okay, but he wasn't here in the car. Is that him there?
No.
Okay, you want to give him a call?
He's coming.
Okay. You want to give him a call so I can talk to him?
You want to talk to him?
Yeah, please.
Officer wants to talk to you.
Okay.
This is Officer Fernandez from the 20th District. Oops.
Hey, officer.
How are you? Your client here.
I'm fine.
Your client here was involved in an
Yeah, I
accident. How far are you? Hello?
Like 25 minutes.
Okay, I need to see her driver's license and her proof of insurance. And she's understanding that she doesn't have to provide that to me until you arrive. Can you advise your client
That is not true.
that...
I would be happy to advise her what the law is.
Okay, please, can you advise her so I could get this paperwork started?
I will.
Great, thank you. Now you listen to him?
Sorry about that. All right, so go ahead. It is by state law. You have to give him your driver's license and your insurance
Great,
information.
that's great
You
advice.
can then start the paperwork. That is exactly what you should do, and I'll be there in about 25 minutes. That's all you're required to do.
Great, thank you. And you said this is not your car, right?
No, it's my
Do
friend's
you happen to
car.
do you happen to know if he has insurance?
He does.
Can you go look in the glove compartment for me?
It's a fancy car. I don't
Yeah, I
know
understand.
that.
I just need to look at see if he's got insurance.
Okay. I don't know how to open the fancy.
You want me to take a look to see if he's got it?
I think that.
Great. Yep, that seems to be it. I'll be right back. Stay in your car, okay? Okay, Mr. Steele, you can put that away. He's got valid insurance. Is that your attorney still? Can you tell me how far he is?
15 minutes.
Okay, we'll wait for you to arrive.
All right, I'll be there as soon as I can.
Thank you.
Well, you hit two cars, so we got to give you a traffic accident, okay?
Okay.
And I don't know what we're going to do about the car because it's not drivable. Your tire is pretty messed up. It's not going to allow you to drive home. So is your attorney maybe going to be able to drive you home?
Yes. And I'll pay for the certificate wherever it needs to go.
Well, you probably want to let the owner know that you were involved in an accident. Let him know.
He's my very best friend.
Oh, good. Okay. All right. So just hang tight. I'll be right back. Okay? Yes, ma'am.
I'm so sorry.
That's accident.
Very
Okay. Yes. Hey, boss. How are you?
That's her?
Yeah, that's the driver right there.
How's she?
Still shaken up. Her friend attorney is on his way.
How you doing, ma'am? EMS? Are you good? I'm working. I have to be good. How much you have to drink?
It's my attorney.
Well, I'm not talking to him.
Okay.
On the windshield because
Give me a moment, please.
What is she looking for?
I have no idea. I've already got her driver's license here.
I'm fine. It's fine.
Ma'am, we need you to exit. We don't need that.
I don't need that. I already told you to put that away.
We just need you exiting so we know you're good. You just got involved in an accident. It's like
I did, but my friend is coming. If I go outside, I'm not going to be like so secure. And then my friend.
Secure.
You know, everything is on video and audio recorded.
I know.
Yeah.
So, can you exit?
I can.
Okay, please do.
Can you hold on?
Well, I'm not holding anything
Just
for
put it
you.
on the dashboard. That's fine.
No.
I don't need it anymore. You can put it in the dashboard. That's fine. We just need you to step out.
I'm good.
Ma'am, we know you're good. We heard you, but you need to step out so we can see if you're good.
I'm fine.
Okay, I know you're fine. Just exit the car then.
I don't have to exit the car.
Yes, you do.
No.
We're giving you a lawful order.
You were involved in an accident. You're
was.
gonna have to, or we're gonna assist you.
Miss Fan, can I help you?
Yeah, this is my friend. She texted me.
Okay. Oh, let's walk over here for a second.
Is she okay?
Well, we're in the middle of an investigation, DUI investigation right now.
I'll wait for my attorney.
You need to exit.
I will be fine.
She appears like she may have been drinking, involved in a 2-car, 3-car accident. Yeah, that's what we're relating at this point now. So we're trying to ask her to step out so we can do a field sobriety test, which we're supposed to do to determine if she is or not.
Yeah.
And she doesn't want to get out. So advising her nicely to get out, or we're going to have to get physical and bring her out of the car, which is not going to be end up good for her.
She says she knows you. She said you
She does
texted
know
her.
me. She's my friend.
Okay, so exit the vehicle then.
No, I'm not leaving the vehicle.
We've been talking to some kind of attorney, a friend of hers,
Okay.
on the phone, and he's been cooperating.
Okay.
But she doesn't seem to want to exit the vehicle.
Okay. You want me to talk to her?
If you don't exit the vehicle, I'm gonna help you to exit. And you don't want that.
You don't want that.
I
I'm
do.
an elected official.
I actually do. Elected official of what?
Cook County.
Cook County. You elected with which office? What's your name?
I'm Sam.
Sam who?
Hey, Sarge, is it okay if her friend tells her to walk out, to step out?
Oh, she's saying she's an elected official
I
of
don't
Cook
want.
County.
I don't want
Okay.
to be on the video.
Oh, you are on video.
You are on video.
So you need
I'll
to.
wait for my attorney.
Okay.
Nope, I'm waiting for my attorney.
So she's not exiting, and she says she's an elected official of something we don't even know.
Does she need to be compliant at this moment?
Of course she does. She was
Well, I
involved in
mean,
an
can she
accident.
wait? Can she wait for her attorney?
No.
Yes.
Well, it's
Even
fine.
if the attorney is here, there's nothing he's gonna tell her. She was involved in an accident and we're doing our investigation. And obviously she doesn't want to. Ma'am. Okay, here's the thing. You were involved in an accident, correct? So you're gonna have to exit. If you don't exit, then we're gonna make you exit.
Exit the car.
Can you give her a
Sorry,
second?
that's
I think you should do that.
A second?
That's all you have to do.
That's the attorney.
Get out
You
of
told
the
her you
car.
have to exit.
You need to get out of the car. That's all you got to do, and then wait for me. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
I'm waiting for him.
yeah, you gotta come out.
Get out of the car.
I've exited the car.
Okay, be careful with traffic. We're gonna stay right here. We don't want you to go out, get involved in an accident.
Fine.
Now you can hang up the phone, ma'am.
No.
We're still doing our
My
investigation.
attorney.
Okay. Now, tell your attorney, since he's on the phone, are you going to do field sobriety test or no?
No. No,
Are you
wait,
being
wait.
arrested? You say no. I was waiting for that. I was waiting for that.
Wait, whoa.
Why do you have to arrest her?
Because she doesn't refuse. I asked her to do field sobriety test and she refused. And she smelled like alcohol. She's been drinking. Oh, so you've been recorded all this time. You've been recorded.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I need
You
my
want to do
attorney.
field? You want to do
I
field?
need my attorney.
He's on the phone.
Man, he can hear
I'm
you.
here.
They're arresting me.
Okay. I'll be there in 5 minutes. They just would
5
wait
minutes.
until I get there.
He's not gonna wait. Let's go. You've been transported. She's under arrest right
Give her
now.
my purse. Take the
Here,
purse.
this is the purse. Thank you.
I'm not going.
Okay.
Let's go.
Can you give him
Hi.
5 minutes?
I'm not that mean.
5 minutes
You're not,
ago.
man. I'm just escorting you to the
Can
car.
you give her 5 minutes?
She's not doing the field, so we're not gonna be she struck a bunch of cars.
Come on, man, let's go. Let's have a seat in the car.
Can we just like?
No, we're not. We're gonna sit in the
That's
car.
why you got Uber, you got taxi.
Okay, have a seat in the car. Let's go have a seat in the car.
Have a seat.
Have a seat in the car.
And she's
Let me get on the other side.
Have a seat, miss.
I can't.
She's in. She's
Alright,
in.
you got a small wrist. No, we have to. You wanna do the field? You wanna do the field?
Sam.
We ask you to do it and you say no.
I don't know what you're saying. You guys are so like.
Field sobriety test.
Oh, I do feel sobriety.
Alright, come on.
Yeah, you should stand over here. We can watch the whole thing. Everything's being audio video clip, please.
Sam.
So you wearing lenses?
Yes.
You wear glasses. You have them on right now.
I've contacts.
Can you see me without? Can you see me with them? Okay. You
I mean,
good?
I cannot see like.
All right. So now, how's your head? You have any injuries? Your
I
head
hit
is
my
good.
head
You hit your head? When?
when I hit the car.
When you hit the car, did you lose?
I don't know what good means.
So you want an EMS? You want to call an ambulance?
Yes,
You want us to call an ambulance for you?
that would be good.
Okay. We'll call an ambulance.
But I can do the sobriety.
You can do it? You
Yes.
sure? Okay.
No,
So
I want
put
the ambulance.
both feet together like this.
Call an ambulance, yeah?
I would like an
Can you do it?
ambulance. Yes, I can put both feet together.
Hands together like this.
I need an ambulance.
You in custody, you know that, right?
I'm fine.
Tell you what, can we get an ambulance? He wants an ambulance here.
You're under arrest.
It's weird, but yes.
Okay. Just letting you know you're under arrest. So now when we go to the hospital, you're still under arrest.
Okay.
Do you know which hospital?
We don't know. It's whatever the ambulance decides.
Hey, Sarge. He's a 501 guy, kind of.
I'm Sam.
Sam? Okay. What happened to them? What happened? Just what happened?
I don't know. I was driving.
Okay. Were you drinking?
No.
No?
No.
Sam, don't answer any questions according to
Ma'am, if you're going to be
attorney.
interrupting, then you probably have to say it over
Oh,
here.
I'm talking
Because you're
to her
interfering right now in an investigation right now. So,
Well, I'm just
I can't just have you
giving her
stand.
the advice of her attorney.
Ma'am, please, I'm just going to ask you to stand over here for me, okay? Please. Okay. Let him do the questioning, which we do with everybody involved in the accident.
They pulled me out of the car. I don't know.
Okay. Are you like, did you take any meds today?
No.
No?
I'll do a test.
I just want to see if you're like safe to go home.
I'm
You
fine
have to
to
submit
go
like a
home.
few tests for me. Are you willing to do it? It's up to you. I'm not forcing you. It's up to you.
Well, no.
You don't want to do it?
No, my
So I
attorney.
already have enough to like
so
take
my
you in.
attorney
So
will be here.
Your attorney's on the way.
Yeah.
He would like to talk to this officer.
she could call it the station. It is what it is. I mean, I smell alcohol, so it is what it is. You're gonna get under arrest for DUI.
No.
What do you mean no?
No.
I mean, what do you mean no?
No. Wait for my attorney.
What do you mean no?
Talk to my attorney.
Yes, we're gonna wait here.
No, he could come to the station. She's gonna get under arrest for.
Here, he's parking his car right now.
Just stand up, ma'am.
No.
31 times scene.
I'm gonna put down a report that you're refusing field sobriety test.
Yes.
Okay? Hey, I got enough here. Wanna go to the hospital?
What do you mean no? We call an ambulance. We just wasted their
Do you
time.
want medical attention?
We just wasted their time.
You don't want to go.
I want my attorney.
Alright, just take it in. What you gonna do?
Stand up, stand up.
No,
It's not,
sir.
it's not heavy your weight, man.
No,
You
give
asked
me
for an ambulance.
2
You
minutes.
wasted this.
I want to see the EMT.
You just refused them.
Gotta let her see the EMT.
No, but hold on.
You're under arrest.
You're under arrest. One second. You're not going anywhere.
She has very small wrist. Careful. And that alcohol smells strong.
Well, there was a bottle of wine.
It's half empty. The bottle of wine is half empty, Samantha.
Because I.
Well, she might not go in the ambulance.
Drank it. I mean, it's illegal to drink and drive.
So we're going to have open alcohol in the car.
You're gonna go ahead.
No, I need to see my attorney.
That is right
I'm not
there.
moving.
He's right there. Sir, she's been placed in custody for driving under the influence of alcohol.
refused field sobriety
She
test.
struck a bunch of vehicles right there.
That says open bottle of wine in the vehicle.
I didn't drink it.
Don't say anything.
Yeah, listen to him.
He's been Mirandized? Is she under
No,
arrest?
Not yet. I'll get to this.
She refused the field. She's gonna go to an ambulance. Well, how many cars did she crash into? A partner? 2 cars. 2 cars.
Let's go. We're right here.
I got all the stuff
Over
on the
there,
floor.
please. Thank you, Sam.
Samantha Steele serves as the commissioner for District 2 of the Cook County Board of Review in Illinois. A local news source reports on some information regarding the incident and how it will impact her political career.
Samantha Steele wasted no time when meeting today with Cook County Democratic Party leaders.
I do wish that no one in this room has to face the public scrutiny that I have had to face.
So you were not drunk?
I was not. No. Absolutely not.
The police officer reported an open bottle of red wine.
And the video footage that I saw shows him opening the bottle of red wine. I had gone to lunch, I had a glass of wine, and I wanted to keep the bottle. And so I brought it with me.
Steele says her peripheral vision was impacted by a medical condition.
I was diagnosed with a pituitary tumor. And the medication interfered.
While not present in the body cam footage, a police report notes that at the hospital, Steele made vulgar comments directed towards an officer. Steele responds to this claim in the news interview.
There is no evidence of that. The language that he used is not the language I would have used.
Steele was originally charged with DUI and another charge that hasn't been publicly disclosed. However, it was likely related to refusing the sobriety testing or another violation that occurred as a result of the car accident. Nevertheless, that unknown charge was dropped, leaving her with the single misdemeanor DUI charge. In December 2024, about a month after the incident, Steele fought a 1-year driver's license suspension that resulted from her DUI arrest. Her lawyer argued that the officer failed to properly inform her of the consequences before she refused testing. As a result, a Cook County judge reinstated her driver's license. Her DUI case is still ongoing, and she has so far faced no legal repercussions from the incident. As a public official, she frequently posts on Instagram. The posts highlight a recent award she received for design changes at her office, along with frequent posts of attending high-end galas and fancy drinks. Separately, she was recently targeted in a lawsuit alleging she was abusive and had retaliated against an employee who had reported her for other ethical violations. As part of the settlement, Chicago taxpayers will pay out $180,000 in damages. In addition, a search of disciplinary records show Ms. Steele and her aides have been repeatedly found violating state ethics rules for attending Cubs games, traveling for personal trips on county time, and billing taxpayers at political rallies. It is unknown if she has reimbursed the victims for the damages she caused to their vehicles. The Democratic Party of Cook County is now running a primary challenge against Samantha Steele, who has refused to step down. In an exclusive statement to Midwest Safety, the campaign for the challenger, Liz Nicholson, released the following statement. Samantha Steele has consistently demonstrated a lack of respect for both this county and the responsibilities of the office she holds. The primary election will be held March 17, 2026.